a lot of the industry out there that we were seeing, they lay their ground control points, they make their corrections, but then they're not doing what we, quality control points. So there's two different types of control, and something that we teach in some of our classes. One type of control is to get rid of the errors that are induced, whether you're doing photogrammetry and you've got those optical defects, inertial effects. If you're using DG type of inertial systems, you need to get rid of that inertial bias. And the same thing with LiDAR, but just less of it. So there's that piece of it. So that's to make your data try to match reality. Then the next question is, well, how good is it? And how good is it is a matter of the quality control points that you're putting into place to certify that data. So a lot of folks are running around not understanding the difference between using control points for data correction and control points for data certification.